YouTube, let me just tell you, you guys, the more I do these lace tutorials, the more I absolutely love them, and you guys just show immense attention on them and love. And I just went ahead and already reviewed the Nike Book 1 in the hike colorway, and this is actually the loose lace, as you see right here, and the knot lace. And if you do want to go ahead and see how to do this, well, here shortly right now we're going to be showing you guys how to go ahead and do it. So with all of that said, let's get straight into the video. Come on. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy, it is your kid, Efren. I hope you're having a great day, and I hope you're having a very blessed day. Now, in today's video, as you can tell from the intro, as you can tell from the title, looking at the shirt of choice today, I had to go with the color orange, my Hendrix, and I had to go ahead and pull out the Cabela's hat for this one, my olive one, just because it kind of goes with the theme of the shoe that we're looking at. And if you don't remember, last two videos, I did go ahead and review the Nike Book 1 in the hike colorway, and I guys told you after I did the review, I'm going to be bringing you guys more lace tutorials, which I have been doing over on the channel, and you guys have absolutely been killing it and loving it. So I am bringing another one, and we're doing it over the hike colorway for the Nike Book 1, and I'll be showing you 3 ways on how to go ahead and do it: the bunny, the loosey goosey, and the knot. But if you like it how you see right here, like we're rocking the loosey goosey, and then we have the knot lace, then here shortly we're going to be doing and showing you guys exactly how to lace it like this. But before I go ahead and actually go into this video, I do want to give you guys your kudos and say thank you for all that you guys do, because you already know I love to be able to shout you guys out and always give my love and support right back to you guys the same way you do it to me. So with all of that said, let's get straight into it right now. Let's go. First and foremost, y'all, let me just go ahead and say thank you so much for all the love and the support that you show over on the channel. It is greatly appreciated with each and every video I put out. Your consistency, your support, the feedback, I really greatly appreciate that, and I want us to keep staying with it, with that momentum. So definitely, if you haven't already, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. We are on that race to 10K subscribers, and we're shortly getting ready to hit that 5K
Let him
mark,
cook.
which is absolutely crazy.
Let him cook now.
I think we pushed pretty quick this year for subs, so that's really amazing. If you haven't already, definitely go ahead and comment down below, and also if you want to get featured like you see right here, comment down below, engage with the channel. As long as you're engaging with the channel, I promise you I will be putting you in the video like you see right here. It's just a way for me to go ahead and show you guys love just the same way you show me love, and it's just very, you don't understand. I appreciate you guys so much from the bottom of my heart. So with that said, let's go ahead and look at how to do the lace tutorial for the Nike Book 1 in the hike colorway. Let's go. Before I actually begin this tutorial, I just want to go over exactly what the video will be covering real quick. So for this video, I will be showing you 3 ways of how I lace the styles of that shoe. So the first one's going to be the bunny lace, then the second one's going to be the loosey goosey lace, and then thirdly it's going to be the knot lace. Now I'm not going to fast forward it like I've said in previous videos, because I do like for you guys to follow along and pay attention, that way making it easier. I'm going to go behind the camera, I'm going to be lacing it so you can see. Just follow along, take your time. If you have any more questions, definitely comment down below and let me know. Also, I just want you guys to know there's many different ways to do laces, but these are like the 3 personal ways that I do my shoes. So I just like to go ahead and put you guys on just a different style. If you guys like it, if you guys don't like it, I like to hear all of that. And on top of that, like these videos are really fun for me. So with that said, now let's begin the video. Let's go. All right, family, so here we go. Starting with the very first lace is the bunny lace. Now, like I did go ahead and say, I'm not gonna go ahead and fast forward. Just follow along, take your time, and we will get this done right. So when I go ahead and do the bunny lace, I always like to start with making sure I unlace all of my laces to the very first point, making it easy. And in this one, I'm actually gonna go under. You're gonna feed it through the eyelet and go all the way till you get to the top, and then we're gonna tie it. So let's go ahead and begin. So you're gonna go ahead and take it like you see right here. You're just gonna go ahead and feed it and slide it in. Now, from time to time, your laces might wanna become a little bit, I guess you could say, they're gonna try to go ahead and tangle. So just go ahead and take it, untangle it, and then feed it through. Just feed it, just feed it, just feed it, feed it. We're gonna go ahead and take this one, feed it, you're gonna go under, And then for this one right here, it's not like, none of these laces are really hard. It's just kind of like taking your time with it. That's like I say with all of my reviews. So we're gonna go ahead and take it again, feed it through the eyelet, and just take your time. You see how I'm doing that right here? And then we're gonna go ahead and feed it through this one right here. Dude, I like the laces they came with this one. This one was nice. These olive laces make it look really, really good. Now, we're getting to the second eyelet right here, and I'm just doing the same thing. I'm gonna go ahead and lace it through, and then as we get to the very last eyelet, you put it through, and now this is why it's called the bunny lace. So as you feed it right here, feed it. So as you see, we're at the very top right here, right? So we put it through the the last eyelet. Yes, eyelet. Now all you're gonna go ahead and do is you're gonna take it, you're gonna go ahead, you're gonna cross it, just tie it like so. And then once you tie it, you're just gonna go ahead and make yourself a little knot, like a little bunny ear. Take this, wrap it around, and then just pull it like so. And then when you pull it, the key to this, it should be hanging like so. Now, if you don't like it like that, just take it and adjust it some more, and then from there, go ahead and pull it like so. And when you're done, after you get done the adjusting, it should look like that. You see what I'm saying? See how it just goes ahead and drops right there? So that's the bunny lace right there. And if you don't like how it looks, like I said, just adjust it. I'm actually gonna go ahead and throw this on feet right now, so that way we can see what it looks like on feet, because I don't want you guys just seeing just me doing the tying process of it. So let's go ahead and put these things on feet, family. Come on. All right, family. So as you can see right here, we are rocking the bunny lace, and I think it actually looks really, really good. I went ahead and I adjusted like I was saying when we did the lacing for it. And I think when you go ahead and adjust it, it makes it look really, really good, especially with this sneaker. I kind of feel like this lace style makes it look really nice. If you do go ahead and like it, let me know down below. But like I said, all you gotta go ahead and do is just follow the steps that I did, and then just take your time with it, adjust it. And as you can see right here, I did go ahead and adjust it really small, so it looks nice. As long as you go ahead and you're adjusting and making those bunny ears really tiny, it looks a lot better. So moving on to the second lace is the loosey goosey, and here we go. All right, squad, here we go now. So now we're gonna be doing the second lace, the loosey goosey, and just like the bunny lace, it's pretty much the same thing, except that you're not gonna be obviously lacing it like a bunny. You're just gonna be feeding it through the eyelet, and then you're also gonna be, the key for this one is giving yourself enough slack, because you don't want to make it too tight. So let's go ahead. So I always start with my right one. You can feel free with which one you want to start with, but follow me. So you just take it and you go through the eyelet like so. And as you're feeding it through the eyelet, now you don't want to make it tight. You kind of want to keep it just kind of loose like that. And this is like more of a sloppy, really quick, I just want to go ahead and leave the house. Look, nothing crazy, nothing actually extreme. But you're just going to go ahead and, like I said, you're just going to feed it like so. And just follow along. Hey, let me know if you guys picked up these. I think the Nike Book 1 Hike is a really good colorway, honestly. It is a really good colorway. Not better than the Havens, but it's nice for sure. So just follow along right there. As you can see, I'm literally not making it tight right there. As you feed it through all of the eyelets, just keep doing it. Rinse and repeat. And then as you get to the second eyelet right here, now, excuse me, the second to, or the last eyelet, I should say, we're gonna go ahead and put our lace through that eyelet. You're just gonna go ahead and take it like you see, put it in there. Now, when you get to doing the last one, as you can see right here, right? It's very, very loose, very, very not tight at all. But we have a lot of slack right here, right? So we don't wanna be walking on that because we'll be pretty much killing our laces. So all you're gonna do is you're gonna take this, you're just gonna adjust it. And I like to put mine right there. And you do the same thing for the other side. You just take it, you adjust it, and you kind of just like tuck it in right there, making it so your lace now, from it looks like dragging, it looks like that. You see the length of that? Perfect. And then perfect right there. Like I said, this one's not hard at all. This is a loosey-goosey. You just got to go ahead and just take your time with it, adjust it, and you'll be perfectly fine. I'm going to go ahead and right now and break away to getting these on feet. So let's take a look at it right now. Come on. Okay, gang. So as you see right here, we got the loosey-goosey that we're rocking. And like I did go ahead and say, I just adjusted the laces. That way you could go ahead and get it how you want. Now for this one, in my honest opinion, I like this one a lot. Probably my favorite lace for the Nike Book 1. Just also because this shoe is already kind of tight as is. So going ahead and making it loose definitely gives you a little bit more room, more breathable, for more space for the actual foot. And it also looks really nice on feet. So let me know what you guys think about the loosey-goosey. And now we moving on to our third and final lace. Come on, y'all. All right, and last and certainly not least, we are on the final lace. This is the knot lace. And like you see right now, I did go ahead and do from starting from the beginning right there, take the laces from the very start. And the only thing difference, unlike the bunny and the Lucy, this one is gonna be just going over rather than under. So just follow along, and this is how we do it. So I usually go ahead and start off with the right, and I go over it like you see, not under. And this one, I just take it and pull it over each other. So I take the other one, and then I go ahead and I pull it like you see. And this one doesn't really have to be extremely loose, and it doesn't have to be extremely tight. You can kind of find your own way of doing it, but the way I go ahead and do it is I just keep it at a very, I guess you could say, equal type of length as well. And go ahead and fix your laces, cause you don't want your laces messing up. Let's go ahead and get all the way up there. Man, I love this colorway. This colorway is so clean. If you haven't checked out the review, go check that thing out, cause I actually really like these a good amount. Hold on, I'm trying to adjust my laces right here. It's looking a little sloppy, as you can see. Whoopsie. Hold on, let's go ahead and take that one out. Sheesh. And there we go. Now it's gonna go. Boom. All right. So as we're getting to the second eyelet right here, I'm just making my way up there, still going ahead and using that not making it too tight, not making it too loose method. And then kind of make your laces look good, because they will try to go ahead and get over on each other. And now that we are at the very top right here, we're gonna be putting it through this eyelet, as you can clearly see. Let's go ahead and put it. Boom. All right, and all right. So as you guys can see, we went ahead and we fed all of the laces through all the eyelets. Now, when you get right here, this is the part where it is just gonna take just some kind of slowing down and just paying attention right here. So all you're gonna go ahead and do is you're gonna line both of your laces together. And I usually take my left hand and I go ahead and make like 2 fingers right there. I bring it around, the laces around my finger, and with that, I put it right here. I make a hole, as you can see right here, right? And when I make that hole, I feed the laces through it like so. And I just go ahead and pull down on it. When I pull down, I'm also adjusting this knot, like you see right here. And when you're done, it should look like so. There it goes right there, the knot lace. And I will, just because I do like to go ahead and show you guys again, mainly for the knot lace, just because it kind of, you know, it's a little bit more of a process to get it down. You're gonna make a hole, like you said, wrap it around the finger, push it through. You gotta push it through, that's the key. And then as you're doing it, you want to go ahead and pull on the lace right there. And as you're pulling it, make that knot nice and tight. And there you go right there. That is exactly how you do the knot lace. So if you do like this one, definitely go ahead and let me know. But that's how it's gonna look. And I like it because once you go to make it like a knot lace, your laces are not going anywhere. So let's go ahead and put this one on feet. Let's see how you guys like it. And then from there, we are gonna go ahead and this will end the video. Let's go. All right, my family, this is it. The knot lace right here, as you can see, that is on feet. And this one, as you can see right here, it's just more of that, I guess you could say, out the box type of look to it. You don't have to do really too much. This one's just more for if you want to knot it up and let it go. And I like it because I honestly feel like this lace looks really nice on this sneaker in particular with the Nike Book 1. So let me know what you guys think about that. Let me know what your favorite one is down below. I'm gonna go ahead and break away to actually the end of the video. Let's talk some more and then we're gonna end it off. Let's go. All right, family, so that was the 3 ways that I go ahead and lace the Nike Book 1 and the Hike colorway. Let me know which one was your favorite. For me personally, I gotta go with this one. I'm going with the loosey goosey lace. I like the way it looks, especially just coming down really tiny right there. Nothing. I just love that loose look, and especially with this being a platform, a performance and a casual shoe, I just kind of think it looks really good. But do let me know what was your favorite one. I greatly appreciate you guys so much for all the love and the support that you go ahead and show. I almost dropped this, crazy, but I just want you guys to know I really appreciate you. Remember, there's only ever be one you. Be the best you. So check me out. Let me know if this is a shoe that you actually picked up or not. And if you are gonna be taking my lace styles, like I did go ahead and say, take your time, just practice with it. Like, you can literally go ahead and watch the video over and over, slow it down, and to go to that good pace for you. That way you can get it down. I love you guys a whole bunch, and I will see you in the next, trust me, I will see you in the next tutorial because we're doing another one. Later, guys.